Hello, what's up guys? This is Ravindra Kanetkar and I welcome you all to the fifth part of the series of videos where we are going to create an e-commerce website fully from scratch. Okay, so up to the previous video, we were able to display all the products in our HTML page or in the home page. And now in this video, we will going to create a product description page of each product. And that's what our primary goal should be. Okay, I'm going to tell you one thing guys about what happened. I actually recorded the fifth video and similarly moved towards 6th and 7th, but when I moved towards editing of fifth video, I found many problems in that, because of which I coded all the different things. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to explain you how I did. This is very simple and this video is going to be very small. So you need not to worry about this. Okay, so I'm just going to explain you how I did that thing. Okay, so let's head over to the templates. Okay, so when we click on this view more button, what happened? It takes me to the product description page. Okay, it is taking time of loading. Okay, so as you can see here, the image is loaded. It is not very good looking UI. The name is here. Okay, so Call of Duty Modern Warfare is appearing here and we have description. Okay, and current price is rupees 5,000 and the amount is displayed here. Okay, and when we click on add to cart, the cart will work. Okay, so the product will be added to the cart. So, and as you can see, we have a look on this URL. It is giving like / product description /4. So product ID is coming here, and similarly the object that we are getting according to the ID is displayed on the product description page. That's what we are going to see right now, how we did that thing. Okay, you can see here, this is not very hard. I am not going to explain you this HTML page, how I created this. Let's go to the URLs file. Okay, so where is our URLs? In the core section, we have our URLs, urls.py file. So what I did, as you can see here, path product DESC. I have given a name. You can write any name, which will not matter any guess anything. Okay, so / here PK will come. Actually PK is the ID. Okay, so what we are going to do, PK is not just basically the ID of that particular product. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will going to map all the products with their IDs in a single URL. Okay, so if product 1 will, if we want to get the URL of the product 1, then the URL will be something like localhost, as we are running our server is localhost. Okay, so localhost / product DESC / 4 or 1, right? So similarly likewise we will going to have all the IDs of the product in our URL, and then we will going to grab the product by that ID and we will going to pass the product object in the context dictionary format to the HTML page, and there we will going to loop through all its not going to loop through, we will just going to call its attributes and get the value. Okay, so this is as simple as we did earlier. Okay, so what I have written here, you can write here. So by default ID, the data type of PK or ID is integer only, so we don't have to explicitly give the data type, but you can specify like this. So int /PK, or if it was a string, so string, or suppose like strPK, something like that. Float, for float it will be like float likewise. So we can give int, or we can give simply PK only. That is very correct. Okay, then what we did, so we have to write its code. So product DESC, we head over to the views.py. Okay, so where is that product DESC? Okay, so product description page, it is just 2-line code. What we were getting, we were actually accepting the request obviously, and we were getting the PK, the ID of that particular product, as we passed in this. Okay, so this PK we have to grab that in this function. Okay, so that's for that purpose we were using this thing. Okay, so when we pass this PK, we were getting product was our model, our table dot objects dot get with pk equal to pk. So we are just getting that object of a of particular product of ID pk equal to pk of ID pk, right? And we were just rendering the product description page and passing the product to the in the form of context dictionary. And let's go to the index.html page where we have all the products, right? So we were looping through all the products. Where is that? We were looping through all the products, as you can see here. For products in products, we were looping through and getting their values. In the views, we have view more. Okay, so when we click on that view more, let's go to the index. As you can see here, view more. So what we want actually, when user clicks or customer clicks on this view more, it should be redirected to or directed to the product description page of that particular product. That's what we want. Okay, so how can we do that? We can pass the URL like this. So I am going to write it again for you. So what we are going to do, we were just requesting the URL, which we did earlier, which is not very new to you. Now we want to get the ID. So how to pass the ID in the URL? Okay, so there is a way. We were looping through product variable, and we were just getting its IDs or its values like product.image.url or product.name, product.category, product. Blah blah blah, something like that. Okay, so if we want to get the ID, what we have to do? You have guessed it earlier. So we have to do product.pk. That's what we need to do, and we are done. Now there is last step in the product description page. We have to actually use that particular value. So we were passing the product in the views.py. The object was product, and let's go to the models.py, what we had in the products. Okay, so in the product section, product table, we have name, attribute, category, description, price, product available count, image, and all these things. Okay, so I'm just closing all these things, and we will just going to work on product description page. Okay, so this was the HTML page, and in the image source, what we need to pass? We need to pass something like product.img.url. And the image will open like this. Okay, so when we click on this view more, the ID is 8 and our image is appeared here. Okay, so image will appear like product.image.img.url. Similarly, for name, we have to grab the name like product.name, likewise product.desc, product.price, and this is very important thing. I will going to explain you this in the 6th or 7th video, of course. But similarly, what we did in the HTML page, index.html page, likewise we have to pass the product ID in the add to cart function. So I think I am going to explain you in the 6th video. We don't have to worry about this in this particular video. So I am just going to save this. Okay, and just hit reload. It is actually working. I am explaining you again. So when we click on this add to cart button, the product will be added. Similarly, I have written the code of it and just recorded the video also. So next video will also be uploaded soon. So when we click on garden toolkit, the garden toolkit image is uploaded, loaded, and it's done. Actually, we were able to display the particular product in the single URL. Okay, so we were able to map all our products in the single URL by their IDs, and were able to get the attributes or values of that particular product in our HTML page. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, then you are always free to mention it in the comment section. I will be most probably give all the answers to that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press that bell icon. Okay.